Hey guys, how's it going? Just messing with this key cutting machine I picked up. It's a vintage one. It's made by the Taylor Lock Company, Philadelphia in USA. That company's long gone. It's difficult to find information on them. I think they were quite a long-standing lock company. They were certainly around back in the 1940s, and I think they disappeared sometime in the 70s or 80s. But maybe someone out there's got more information on them than I have. But anyway, here's a little look around the key cutting machine. I just set it up this morning. I made this little base for it so it can be portable, and it works pretty good. I've just done some fine tuning, setting up the key follower here. That just needed a bit of adjustment. I'm sure it was bang on its day, but as the wheel has got worn down, it just needed some fine adjustment. And there it is, everything's square and good on it. Just cut this key here and we just tested it and it's fine. And I'm making some bump keys. I'm making bump keys that work, for anyone that's interested in bump keys. If you don't know what they are, then I guess you wouldn't be interested in them, because part of the locksmith's tools. So let's run this thing. It runs really smooth. The vibration you can hear is just off this tin table that it's on. There you go. Just a quick look at a Taylor key cutting machine. You don't see them like this much anymore. If you want one like this, I noticed there is one on eBay. It's about 150 bucks. But in my opinion, I've had modern key cutting machines in the past, and some of them are really good, but I bought one a few years ago from China, and in my opinion this one is better. It's more accurate, which is important when you're making keys like this. It's much more accurate. The cut is much better than on some of the cheap Chinesian ones, and when I say cheap, I mean I paid 600 bucks or something for one from China. But anyway, just a quick look at this thing. Thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.